Hi guys, this is a DIY video on putting up curtains, outdoor curtains on a patio. I know it's the summer, and in the summer, I already put up these in the summer. Obviously, you can't really take advantage of the patio because it gets so hot, and when it gets hot, the sun is blazing. So if you're in my home, the sun is blazing and you can't sit outside. So the whole idea is to get these curtains that I put up. I'm going to show you how I did it, and set them up outside, and provides a little shade for your house, for your patio. These are the tools we need. The curtains, I'll put a link for these curtains. These are UV protective curtains that are ideal for outside, and they're waterproof and they do not fade. Curtain rod I purchased from Home Depot. I'll put a link there. Depending on the length of your outside, mine is about, I purchased a 72 by 144 inches. Inside the curtain rod, once you open up the box, it comes with its brackets and it comes with screws. I bought some spare screws that I have from Home Depot that go well. And obviously what you need is a ladder, you need your drill, and that's pretty much it. And of course you need measuring tape, something you can measure to ensure that these fit equidistant. So here goes. I'm at the top of my patio. I think the challenge here is choosing where to drill your holes or drill your brackets. So you can either put them on the wall, you can put them here right above the ceiling of the patio. I decided to put them on the metal plank that is part of the roof. So depending whether you be drilling on the wood, you'll be drilling in concrete or your wall, make sure you have the right screws for that. Alright, so as you open your box, this is what you get. You get 3 brackets in the box. And you get your rod, curtain rod. So this is what's gonna go up there. So we'll start by setting up these brackets, and then from there hanging them. One side of the brackets is installed. I gotta do the other side. As you can see, just 2 screws holding it together, holding it in place. Like I said, if you need more security, a more secure setup, you might want to drill holes in it first, then put in the plastic screw, and then put in the metal screw to keep it steadier. For me, this is steady enough, so I don't need to add anything else. Alright, so after everything is installed, there's the curtain rod, there are the curtains, and now I have some shade on my patio. So something that you can do yourselves. You don't really need an expert to do this, just measuring, and approximately about 30 minutes doing it on each side of the patio. So good luck with your DIY projects.